Welcome to a new perspective, a world where mistakes are not setbacks, but stepping stones to mastery. Dive deep into the art of objective analysis, where self-compassion trumps self-judgment, and growth is the inevitable outcome. Discover the power of detoxifying self-judgment, clearing the way for unbiased examination of errors, unearth patterns in behavior, decision-making, and unlock insights for long-term improvement. Step into the light of constructive feedback, using it not as a weapon, but a tool for growth. Embrace practical strategies for objective reflection, turning every day into a learning experience. Uncover the transformative power of personal growth journaling, turning mistakes into a wellspring of continuous self-improvement. Hear inspiring real-life stories of individuals who've mastered objective analysis, bringing about profound changes in their personal and professional lives. Welcome to Mistake Mastery, where every stumble is a step forward on the path to greatness.